we are moving forward.
But I found this destruction of property. It's as if we don't understand what people are going through. Many of those people are going through loans. Children are being raised, school fees are being paid, lives are being saved. But the way we are destroying these things, unless I missed something, I didn't see any deadlines that when we're told our SIM cards are going to expire on this particular day. As I promised, as UPC, we must speak for the people of Uganda. We appreciate that there are people who may be doing the right thing in the wrong place, but you do not remove them in the wrong way. You don't destroy all of their property. You don't destroy their livelihoods. Let's find ways where we can do right by each of us. This level of destruction just to present a side of beauty, but the level of destruction which you're creating in the society is not welcome.
Abafamile y'omusajja azaala omwana omulambo gwe babbira mu takisi si bamativu